Okay.
The internet's gonna love this.
Yeah, we don't care about the internet. Figure I'm gonna hold on to this thing and twist it. I got bad leverage. Did it move? I don't know.
I don't know, I wasn't looking at it.
I didn't feel it then, but where's the axle? I think it did move. It doesn't fit.
You a rocker?
Maybe. Does that make a difference if we have parts and pieces and things that go together? If it goes like this, I think it'll fit. This is our holding fixture here.
Yeah.
This fork was bent about half an inch out of whack when we started. So,
You put the other one on too?
I want to see what this one looks like. It's a lot better on the bottom than it was. It still moves a little bit, but not as bad. But these aren't tight either. So you tighten these up, it doesn't really matter what it is. This, now we've got, no, that's not good. See the gap here? The gap here?
Mm-hmm.
It's bent too much. I don't care what the axle was saying to do. We had the thing straight before, now I just tweaked it. So it's junk. Who did that?
The axle's on.
The axle's bent? I think the
Could be.
rocker was the biggest problem. Okay, so I'm gonna go back the other way.
This way.
Everybody has to figure out what we got here first. We're gonna be able to tell them because it's. Yeah. Boy, just go for it. What's the worst that can happen?
Bend too far.
Then we have
Bend
to
it
bend
back.
it back.
Bend it back.
It's like what we're doing now. What's the difference? Can you get off the handlebar for me? Makes it a lot easier to
Move it. Yeah.
put it back where it belongs. So how many miles are on this front end before you tweaked it?
Like 15.
15 miles.
Not even. Not even.
First ride.
Yeah.
Did we even move it? Yeah, we did move it a little bit. Probably could go just a tick further, but we're pretty close. Just going by what we got to work with here. See, this one get closer, but this one doesn't get any closer than we have. So I did move it slightly, but not quite enough. Just hold it there, Reed. You can tell if you even bend the damn thing, it's so flimsy. Back still hurts when you jammed it back my back for me.
Maybe I need to just get a wide glide.
White line? They bend too when you hit them.
Oh.
That looks a lot better. That can be too much or too little. Okay, so that's good. Where's the other one? What's this side doing? This one's a little closer on this side than that side, but it's pretty close. So it's pretty close. And this is the side it was bent, wasn't it?
Yes.
The left side?
No. This side.
Which one are we on?
This would be the left side. Yeah.
Yeah. So this has the most problems. I could probably try to fix other issues. Okay, so how are we looking now? So now we're going up and down pretty evenly. I'm good with that. Axle. Should put it in there, I would think. This one is out of whack. So you can't get high enough.
Mm-hmm.
Goes down low enough, not high enough. So this one needs to go that way a little bit. The gap was on the top or the bottom when we were doing this?
It's on the bottom.
Not anymore. There's a spacer. Gaps over here. So it needs to go this way, which is what the axle says it needs to go to. And this one over here. See on this pretty flat now, see? And see how nice it goes together also. This is a plus.
Yeah, it actually goes through.
We're not beating it with a big hammer to put it together. Even this side goes all the way through, but that still needs to be tweaked a little bit. So we need to bend this rocker arm that way.
I'll take the rocker back off.
This one's got to come back off, and we need to go. Which way we need to go with this thing?
This one?
We need to bend it down. So I get it on this side, down. And these parts bend really easy. No heat, like your rods don't want to bend, these do. Alright, so.
I'm going to move this before you tweak it back again.
No.
No?
No, I'm not going to tweak it that way.
Okay.
Because now I know you're back there. So I know you're out of the way. Alright, so you see how the rocker's kind of going up?
Yeah.
Is that enough? We got more.
That look like enough.
I don't know.
A little more, I think.
Plenty more.
That thing casted?
Yes. Cast steel.
Oh, okay.
Top of the line. Yeah, it's not cast iron, it would have broken.
Yeah, I was gonna say, whew.
That would be really unsafe.
Yeah, that's what.
Cast iron rocker arm would be a little bad.
It'll be fine.
Taiwan's finest.
We'll ride on them after.
We'll keep it under 100.
Under 100. Yeah. Under 15 maybe.
I don't think that's going to be. That's your crashing speed's under 15.
That's true.
See, it looks like it didn't affect the rocker arm, so that's a plus. Oh, that
Oh,
fits
look
a
at
lot
that.
better.
Looks pretty
Jeez,
flat.
almost like this stuff fits together now. See, it had a big gap over here there before, now it fits flat. Or at least flatter. And how does our angle over here look now? Yeah, see, now we're getting an even circle pretty well all the way around.
Yeah.
It could go probably tweaked up slightly, but it's got enough clearance, doesn't matter. It's about the same on this one's a little tight on coming up, but it's good. See, that one fits pretty flat. So which way do you have this going in before? The left or the right side?
Oh, now that we're upside down, I'm trying to think.
On the bike, which way to go in from?
From this way, if you're facing.
So when you're on the bike, you go into the right,
Yes.
goes in from the right side, so it goes in this direction.
Or if you're sitting on the bike, it goes into the left.
What are you looking at? From the front of the bike being run over?
Yeah.
You think you're the FXR then?
Well, normally when I put the axle in, I'm in front of the bike.
Oh.
So that's how I remembered it.
Okay. Yeah, where's all these spacers? Where's that bent wheel at?
There it is.
Okay. Which spacer goes where?
Oh man.
I don't really care. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
I don't know. Haven't determined yet.
Okay. Well, I'm just gonna throw some spacers in there then.
You're the one that made the bike. I don't know why the
You're
spacer.
missing a spacer, but
You would think the spacer would have been equal to make the bike equal, but
yeah. Well,
Custom.
I tried.
yeah, they're not
I
even.
mean, I ended up with 2 spacers on one side and 1 spacer.
Well, now we need another spacer over here. They look like they're pretty equal right now to me.
Well, yeah, with this one in there, it comes out.
Can you
pretty
grab
equal.
my 6-inch scale someplace over there in the back of the bench? Down there we're working. That by the lock pad up high? Yeah, there you go.
I just wound up with 2 on one side because I was about to cut another one. Oh hey.
Okay, so if I look down the bent frame, that looks pretty close there, but if you go down by the, looking down through your fender, your nice straight tire here, I think it's not even close to being centered in. So right now we're centering off of here. These fender mounts, that looks straight, but that's not even straight at all in the fender. Now if you come off of here, we're at about 2.4 inches roughly. 2.2 inches, so we've got to go this way now. So don't go by those stupid mounts down there, they're not very close. So there's 2.3 inches there. 2.3 inches there. Okay, that's pretty close to there. And up here we got 1.2-ish and 1.350. So the rock arms are very close. Nice. So, where's your spacers? That's all you had to play with?
Yeah.
One of these was on the outside of the bike, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So neither one of these are going to work very well. Where'd you come up with these things anyway?
A bucket in a corner of a garage.
Ah.
Yeah.
Pretty close. Okay, so we need one 250 on one side, one 350 on the other. That'll get me pretty close here. Now, what do we got on the back tube here? Is the back tube different from the front tube? Probably. 250. Oh, those aren't even close. Geez. 250-ish. So the front ones are different than the back ones. So which one do you want to be closer to? Let's see, that's like 2.2, 175 over there now. Let's do 2, 3. So yeah, this needs to be 50 thou more than that minimum. So this could be 1.2. About there. Coming off your back legs. That's a little over 200. And that's a little over 200. So if you had 1.2 inches on that one, and 1.3 on this one, 4, excuse me, 1.4 on that one, you'd be pretty close. Look close to you?
It actually looks pretty good.
Okay. Now being a Harley doesn't really care which way it goes. It could be a couple hundred thou off, so it doesn't matter. So you want to try to make it even, or you want me to just shove it over this side, come up with one for this side?
I'll try and make it even.
Okay, so we need the 1.2 on this side and 1.4 on this side.
Okay.
So how do you get 1.4 out of what you got?
Need 1.4 more.
Pull that spacer. I think your worst one's not even, it's way more than that. For 1.67. So all your spacers are not going to help you. You don't have enough correct stuff here. And this one looks like he used a doll
Oh yeah.
file to cut it with. Accurate. Good job. It's aluminum too. I like light racing. Good deal. All right, grab your spacer. So everything tight in here is the bearings and hub. Why do the bearings look so tight? Get some burrs on this axle, or is it just tweaked a little bit?
Oh, it's definitely tweaked. No, it's not. It was just the way you were holding it. Never mind.
I don't think it's tweaked.
No, it wasn't.
I think there's some burrs on it though. Let me get my tweak checking gauge here.
No, it's
pretty
good.
straight.
Yeah. It's just the way you were holding
I
it.
think he's got some burrs in that thing. I'm gonna go grab some spacers for him. Let me back. Get back to the wheel.